Makhana or foxnut seed is filled with nutrients and so healthy for you. It's a good source of protein, antioxidant, and has anti-aging properties. Today I'm going to show you how easily you can make a sweet dish out of it. I'm making Makhana Kheer or foxnut kheer. Last time I made vermicelli kheer. If you missed that, the link is in the description below. Do check it out. So that gave me the confidence to make many more such healthy dishes in the air fryer itself. Usually I just pop makhana or foxnut in the air fryer and have it like a savory snack, or as you call Indian version, popcorn. But today I made a sweet dish out of it and it turned out so delicious. This makhana or foxnut is going to keep your skin glowing and your body healthy. So keep watching and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. I bought this makhana packet from Indian store. You can get it online also. I'm putting 2 cups of foxnut seeds into the air fryer basket to roast. You may preheat the air fryer for 2 minutes if you wish. I'm setting up the temperature to 380 degree Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. In the meantime, take any loaf pan that will fit in your air fryer. This fits perfectly fine in my gourmet air fryer. I'm using oat milk here. You may use any milk of your choice. This is a great option for those who cannot take dairy or who follow vegan. I'm adding 4 cups of oat milk. Now let's check the makhana. These look beautiful, nicely roasted. See how crunchy they turned out? Temperature setting varies in each air fryer depending upon the model, so you may have to adjust accordingly. Now let's take them out. This can be a savory snack by adding salt and pepper. Today we are going to make something sweet out of it. Now I'm grinding 1 cup roasted makhana in the food processor. This will give the thick consistency to the kheer. Make sure to grind into a coarse powder form and keep it aside. That looks great. Into the loaf pan goes 1 cup air fried foxnut seeds. Put it inside the basket. Now air fry the whole thing under 375 degree Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. It's important to keep the temperature low. After 10 minutes, open the basket and check to see if they are getting soft. The top portion may look crunchy, but stir it well. It should be getting soft. Lightly press it with a spoon. You will feel it. Now add other half of makhana, which was coarsely powdered in the food processor. Mix together well. Into this, I'm also going to add freshly ground cardamoms. The aroma is fantastic and it helps with digestion as well. To this, I'm also going to add half cup of almond flour. You can even dry grind the almonds. This almond flour is going to enhance the taste, give that lovely texture, and also helps with the kheer-like consistency, which I like. It's turning out gorgeous. I'm going to air fry for another 5 minutes under 375 degree Fahrenheit. Now let's see how it turned out. Wow! Look at this kheer. Nicely done. Happy with the color and the texture. And who would have thought to make kheer in the air fryer? At this point, add 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder. Jaggery has plenty of health benefits and nutrients, which is better than sugar. If you're diabetic, just avoid adding any jaggery or sugar. Garnish with some raisins or your favorite nuts. Have it right away when it's hot and the foxnut seeds are soft. I noticed that if you leave it in the fridge, the makhana doesn't stay soft. If you find the kheer to be thick, just add a bit more oat milk to it. Give it a good mix and enjoy it with your family and friends. It's a great addition to your holiday meals. Quick dessert after dinner. Healthy sweet dish, simple, easy in the air fryer without spending long hours standing in the kitchen. Just let the air fryer do the magic. Do give it a try, you will absolutely love it. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.